crispy puff pastry with a heart of tomato, bechamel sauce, and a gooey mozzarella cheese. We're talking about puff pastry pizzas from Puglia, Rustici Leccesi. Fast and easy, let's see how to make this classic Italian street food. We begin by preparing a quick bechamel sauce. We just need to melt some butter, add flour in equal parts, and we have just created what is technically called white roux. Finally, we just need to add our warm milk, a little at a time. Okay, now we start using a whisk, mixing it well. You can save time by buying pre-made bechamel, but honestly, it is so easy and takes a minute to make. Some ground nutmeg, a pinch of salt. Perfect. See the consistency? Pretty thick, isn't it? Good. Let's move on to the tomato. You can use fresh peeled tomato or puree. A pinch of salt, a tablespoon of olive oil, and oregano. Well, the oregano is optional, but who doesn't like oregano? And now we prepare the mozzarella cheese. This is a fresh mozzarella braid from Puglia. We just cut it up and squeeze out any water. But look, it hardly has any. It's important to remove the water, otherwise it will evaporate during the bake, leaving an empty shell inside where the cheese used to be. Alternatively, just use a drier mozzarella, often called pizza cheese. This is the right choice if you really love a stringy, gooey center, as you saw at the beginning of this video. And we move on to our puff pastry, the secret for a perfect rustici, which by the way means rustic in Italian. The sheet you see here is roughly 24 by 16 inches or 60 by 40 centimeters, and with one of this we make 6 to 8 rustici. Today we're making 12, so we're gonna need 2 sheets. We suggest you make the puff pastry at home, but we know many of you don't want to. The second best option is to ask your favorite pastry shop to buy some sheets of puff pastry from them. Ultimately, we recommend avoiding the puff pastry sold in the supermarkets, as many brands are full of palm oil and preservatives, and frankly just don't taste good. Now we need a 4-inch or 10 centimeter round cookie or biscuit cutter, and we need to cut 24 of these larger discs, because each rustico has 2 of this size stacked at the bottom. And as for the top, we just need 1 3-inch or 8 centimeters disc for each pizza. So to recap, 24 large discs and 12 small ones. Perfect! Transfer the discs to a non-stick baking tray or a tray with parchment paper. And it's time to start the assembly. We brush a layer of egg wash over the top of each large round. Then cover that with a second large round. Another layer of egg wash just along the border. And now the filling. A teaspoon of bechamel, a teaspoon of tomato, and finally our mozzarella cheese. We cover our filling with 1 small round, pressing gently. Cover the top with egg wash as well. And our puff pastry pizzas are ready for the oven. 400 Fahrenheit or 200 Celsius for 20 minutes. or until our puff pastry pizzas are golden. And here are our little UFOs. They are ready to fly into our mouths. Look at how lovely they are. Our delicious Rustici Leccesi of Puglia are ready. Let's open one, shall we? Let's see the bottom. Also crispy here. No soggy bottom. And now, I gotta take a bite. It's 2000 Fahrenheit, but yeah, they're delicious. Bechamel and tomato. Should we open one more? Crocca, crocca. Oh, that's beautiful, bellissimo. And don't forget to subscribe to Piatto Recipes channel, click the bell for new video notifications, and let us know in the comments what you want to put in your puff pastry pizzas. Oh, this is really, really cheesy.